how to make header smaller on Squarespace. This is about to help you through it, that is still about to be really understood for what is going on, about to be really satisfying for what we are looking for, and how we can start to deal with that. That is still to be really satisfying for what we are looking for here. And then as you can see through it, that is still to be about something that we are looking for here, about design panel and select site styles. And then as you can see, to find header section, that is still to be about on the site styles here. Then as you can see, we go started for the side where about to make the font smaller or the header smaller. So we click on the font that is going to be click on the header. And then as you can see, we're gonna start to click on edit or clicking on something that is through the site style, click on fonts and make it customization. Now we started to reduce for the side where we are going to heading 1 and header 2, you reduce the size of the font, and that is all about to help you.